Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol, and welcome to this week's Midweek 180, brought to you from a Honda NSX. Yes, I've been driving this car for the last few days thanks to my good friends at Hendy Performance, and it is an exceptional car, and there will be a video of it coming to the channel very, very soon. I've done a full review, but safe to say, I honestly don't know why Honda didn't sell more of these. But anyway, I've got a very busy week this week. If you've not seen one of these before, this is my midweek update where I bring you my news, views and information about upcoming reviews, all filmed in one take. I'm going to put 180 seconds in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and that's it. A very simple format. So without further ado, let's get cracking with this week's Midweek 180. I have much to talk about. I shall start my timer. Okay, leader of the pack last week was Francois G. Congratulations, sir. Joined in the Magnificent 7 by Simon Davey, Gina F56 Cooper S, Simon Wheatley, D-Boy Maracas, Martin Biswell and Christopher. So whoever puts the first comment this week, you'll be my leader of the pack next week, and the first 7 comments will be my Magnificent 7. Where are you and what you're doing? Well, that was Mini Mafia, who was at a racetrack with their GP3, having an instructor day, watching the Midweek 180 between track sessions. Brilliant. But wherever you are right now and whatever you're doing, put it in the comments below and I'll give you a shout out next week. Very briefly, F1 from last week from the Styrian Grand Prix. I'm sorry, but it was a very, very boring race. Very processional. I mean, hats off to Red Bull for winning, and it's great to see someone taking the fight to Mercedes, and brilliant for Lando, but I'm not really looking forward to this next weekend because they're back at the same racetrack, so I'm sure it'll probably be more of the same, unless it rains, of course. Now then, new car news. There are 2 to talk about this week. This first thing, this is an E-Legend EL1. I saw pictures of it drop on the internet just yesterday. It's an 804 horsepower electric homage to the classic Audi S1, made by a German company called E-Legend. Basically 3 electric motors, 90 kilowatt hour battery pack. And it's quite light. It's about 1680 kilograms, which for an electric car is pretty light, but it will do 248 miles and apparently 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. It looks stunning. Sadly, they're only making 30, and if you want to buy one in the UK, they're going to be a smidge over 900 grand, £914,000. Ouch. And then the other car I want to briefly talk about is this. Again, this is the new Ferrari. So this is the 296 GTB. This will be the replacement for the F8 Tributo. Now, interestingly, normally all the kind of small mid-engine Ferraris are V8s. This is actually a hybrid V6, but get ready for this. It has 872 horsepower and 546 foot-pounds. I mean, that is nuts, absolutely nuts. 0 to 62.9 seconds, 205 miles an hour, top end. I think that should take the fight to the McLaren Artura, but I honestly can't get my head round how a car needs nearly 900 horsepower. I mean, that is hypercar territory from, 4 or 5 years ago. Absolutely incredible thing. I've got lots and lots and lots of things happening this week, and loads of great content coming to the channel. Very much looking forward to Festival of Speed next week, which is now happening under a government pilot scheme. So 75% attendance at Festival of Speed. I will be there all 4 days, and I've got lots of very cool things lined up. But Friday feature this week is part 2 of our V8 Morris head-to-head. Last week was the twin-turbo V8 Morris Minor. This week is this. A small block Chevy V8 powered Morris Oxford. Just hung. I was waiting. I was just waiting. I was like, come on, tick down. I thought I could nail the timing, but I was about 3 seconds out. Yes, a Chevy V8 powered Morris Oxford. Oh! But yeah, amazing car. I need to. So I'm now filming this. So sadly, this NSX goes back today. I'm now going to drive it down to drop it off at Hendy Performance. Today I'm collecting my next Hendy long-termer, so sadly the Sorrento goes back today, but I pick up my new car from Hendy this afternoon. Then I've got to go off and do some filming. I'm filming with 2 utterly brilliant cars on Friday. So I think today, or this week, I will have created 6 Petrol Ped videos this week. So yeah, I've been very, very busy boy this week. Anyway, that's it from me. I'd love to know what you think of that new Ferrari or that stunning electric Audi, because that looks absolutely wicked. I know it's not really an Audi, it's by E-Legend, but it looks very much like an Audi. Anyway guys, I shall see you on the next video, which is this Friday at 6 PM for the Friday feature powered by H&H Classics. The incredible V8 Chevy powered horizontal. Amazing car. You don't want to miss that one. I'll see you on it. Take care, guys.